Hello my love and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chinese Kiki. If you're also a returning subscriber, welcome back babe. So today is just another day where you don't even know why you find yourself here, but anyways, I know why you're here because you're really eager to see my relaxed hair. So this is my natural virgin hair that I've grown since the year 2020. I shaved my hair in December 2019 and from then I decided to start afresh. I was so tired of my old hair and I felt like, you know what, I don't feel like I really need the hair, and I think I'm almost at that point. So I feel like no matter what I do, my hair will never be really long, or maybe I just want it long too bad, or I want it too short too bad. So this time I will just be relaxing my hair because I feel like my scalp has been very sensitive. Like combing my hair has not been easy, maintaining it has not been easy. Also doing cornrows from time to time, you know what, sometimes you get bored, and most of the time I'm also having the wigs on. So this time I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to go through the ups and downs of my hair anymore. I just want to do what I have to do, and if it makes me happy, then so well be it. So I will be using this relaxer. It's Dark and Lovely Superior Moisture Plus regular or normal hair. So I am going to use this and I hope it's going to turn out well. When I used to live in Africa, I used to use the same product, but I used to use super instead of regular, but maybe things have changed, who knows. So let's get into the video, my loves. Now that I've prepared everything, I will first have to use this. This is a Vaseline petroleum jelly, and I remember we used to do these in Kenya. Like whenever my mom would do my hair, she would do this, and this is to protect my skin from the product. You usually have to do it like here on the forehead, and this massive Kenyan big forehead. And then also you have to do it on your ears because you also don't want to like hurt your ears. That happens. Products can land on your ear. I remember that very well. This is something that is not mentioned on the paper. So this is a skill that I learned when when my mama taught me how to do this. So put that on the back of my ear as well. Around this area, and also here at my back head. So now that I've protected the entire area, I am good to go as for now. I'm just hoping for better results. So now that's done, I will now have to take number one, and I will have to take this one too and mix it together in the bowl. I will either have to do it in the black bowl, or I can also just do it here. Let me mix it inside here first. Before I do all of this, let me first put on my gloves. I need the gloves on, very important. So we're dealing with chemicals. That's number one. I will have to put my timer on. It's now at 11:16, so I'll have to let it on for, let me put a timer for 25 or 30 minutes, because my hair is not easy with these things. So I will say in 30 minutes, then I can start with it. And also in the meantime change my battery, because I can feel like my camera is about to lose the charge, and then I will start combing after a while. I'll just let it stay like this for some time.
You're dyeing your hair?
I'm not dyeing it, I am relaxing it. I'm softening it.
It's in a spa.
Hmm?
Is it now in the sauna or in the Turkish?
No, it's not like relaxing like in a steam bath or something like that.
Okay.
It's like I'm straightening it. It was too curly, so I'm straightening it.
Okay.
Yeah,
That was
like
for
permanently.
That was going for massage and a swim.
I wish I would. Like my phone, baby. My phone is in trouble.
Hello phone, I'm here to help.
My mom taught me how to do this. I was scared if I would be able to pull it off, but I'm happy that I have. Feel confident about it.
So your mom is in the beauty business.
Yeah, she's in beauty business. So yeah. Oh, my ears need redemption. No cleaning.
You know the dollar is super strong against the euro.
Really?
Where you say the euro is very strong against the dollar, very weak against the dollar.
Ah.
Like 1 euro is the same as a dollar now.
Oh, that's not good.
Well, it's good for us because I make my money in dollars.
That's true.
So we get many more euros.
I agree.
So now if you get $10,000, it's like almost like 10,000 euro.
Nice. So if anyone pays you in dollars right now, it's the same as you.
It's better.
Yeah, it's better. They pay you in dollars. Help me wipe my ears, baby, because I'm not able to do that. I don't know how. My phone also has a timer. What time does it show? How many minutes I have remaining?
18 or something.
Ah, okay.
It was 19 when I was.
Okay. So lads, now it's past 25 minutes and I really have to wash the hair now. I will be using the neutralizing shampoo. This is usually to remove the chemical on your hair, and then I will also apply the conditioner. I'm glad that it has shea butter. Anyway, I'm just going to start washing it because I'm excited to see how it looks like now, honestly. I'm really excited to see. Look at the difference. So I think I will leave the conditioner in for some time. I will let the conditioner stay in the hair, and honestly I feel like this will be a lot more easier to maintain. And I'm also amazed with the growth for just 2 years. This is a lot, and you know, so we'll see. Let's wait and see. Oh my love, so now I am back after showering, and then you can also see my hair because I rinsed it and I showered. And to be honest, I'm really amazed by how long it is, to be honest. I didn't think it would reach up to there. So I will blow dry it later, apply oil. I think I will use the jasmine oil, and let's see how that will be. Bye.